up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I did a house renovation, but I've been trying to, renovate my bedroom as well, and find some home decors. And in the backdrop right there, I got a few candles, like 4 of them, so cute, vanilla scented. They smell so good, and I just thought that today's video, whatever, let me just be such a YouTuber and put them in the backdrop. Since we're doing a skincare video, it might as well have candles. So today I'm gonna be doing my, not daily, but one of those days when you feel like you need to pamper yourself. Yeah, I have some products that I absolutely adore and I love using during those days. The first product is the Alia Skin Clay Mask. This is a mask and I actually put the mask first. It smells so good. It smells so amazing. So after I apply the mask, I leave it for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I wipe my face. The reason as to why I do not recommend anyone washing their face after using the clay mask and just using the normal towel to actually just wipe the clay mask off with some warm water is because after you have actually removed the clay mask, you can actually feel that your skin is so hydrated and so smooth, and once you wash it off, it's like you will wash everything off. It's like you won't feel the effect. So that's why I recommend just wiping a little bit with your towel. And after wiping my face, then I go in with the Garnier Hydro Bomb Sheet Mask, which is amazing. I've always wanted to rip this thing off like this in front of a camera, and I just did, and I think that is so cool. It's so hydrating and so soothing to the skin, especially after you actually apply the clay mask. I mean, this just is amazing. And the super hydrating soothing tissue mask is infused with a soothing formula that's concentrated with chamomile, hyaluronic acid, hydrating serum, which is amazing for your face. The struggle is real, guys. Putting this thing on is not easy, so but who said beauty is not easy? Oh, that was a lot of moisture. A lot of moisture, which is so good, and I feel so damn good because I know. Now, I recycle this. Don't ask me why. I might just tell you in the next video, but I do recycle this shit. So good. Alright, so just gonna leave this for 15 minutes. And yeah, I'm just gonna set another timer. And I will be back in 15. So just gonna gently massage the moisture, all of that moisture inside. You can use a cotton pad if you don't want it, but I prefer scrubbing, pushing the product in so that it can have a maximum glow, the maximum results anyway. So yes, guys, wow, this is I love doing this on Mondays mostly, because being a content creator, basically my Mondays are not my Mondays like the one if you're working in an office. My Mondays are not like your Mondays because I get to choose how I spend my Mondays, and I decided that my Mondays will be my pampering Mondays, pampering Mondays, because mostly during the weekend I'm either working, shooting content, traveling, or basically just hanging out with family. And so I just decided Mondays to me will be pampering Mondays. Now after this, I usually go in with my sunscreen from Clinique. The sunscreen from Clinique is an SPF 50 body cream. I absolutely love this for my face because, oh my god, let me just tell you, if you don't put SPF on your face, then I don't know what you're doing. I just do not understand. I'm just gonna pat in my sunscreen on my face. I never ever rub in my sunscreen. I just pat it in because I read somewhere that your skin knows when you're loving it and when you're actually being rough. So one thing I can always say about skincare is that if you take care of your skin, it's easier for you to actually even leave the house confident without makeup. That is how I view skincare. Like, ever since I knew more about skincare and how everything works, I was like, wow, my mindset just changed. And nowadays I can leave the house barefaced. I don't care, maybe put some eyebrows on and that's it. But I'm going to get my eyebrows done because, oh my god, they're so bushy, really bushy, and ugh, they look disgusting. But you know, I wanted to do this video for you guys before I actually forget and I lose the momentum, because today I woke up and I was like, you know what, let me just share a little bit of some few things that I have had with you guys. And yeah, thank you for hanging out with me today. It has been an amazing time with you guys for those few minutes. Thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit that bell button down below so that you get notified on the next video I actually upload. I think I'm going to be uploading an unboxing, not a vlog, which I don't know, but you know, click on the bell, click on the little bell so that you get notified whenever I upload the video. So yeah, and you know, can always find me on IG, on my Insta stories, hanging out. You know, we can hang out there 24/7, me and you. So head on there and follow me as well, and subscribe and share with your friends and their friends and blah blah blah. So anyway, see you. Mwah.